Welcome to Rocket Resolver. In this demo, we'll guide you through integrating Rocket Resolver with Office 365 using OpenID Connect, the industry standard for secure authentication and seamless user management. With Office 365 integration, organizations can enable single sign-on, allowing users to log in using their existing Office 365 credentials. This simplifies user management, enhances security, and enables just-in-time user creation, eliminating manual onboarding. To enable single sign-on for your organization, simply contact our support team. Our team will assist you with the setup and provide a unique SSO URL specifically for your organization. To verify that SSO is enabled, log in using your Tenant Admin ID, then navigate to the Admin tab. Here, you can view the SSO expiry date and the unique organization-specific URL provided for SSO access. Now, let's test the SSO login. Simply log out and access Rocket Resolver using the provided URL. Click on the Login with Microsoft 365 button and authenticate with your Microsoft credentials. That's it. You are now successfully logged into Rocket Resolver using Microsoft 365 SSO. When a new user logs in for the first time using Microsoft 365, Rocket Resolver automatically creates an account for them with the default requester role. If necessary, the tenant admin can later update the user's role and assign them to specific groups, ensuring they have the right level of access within the organization. That concludes our presentation. With Rocket Resolver's Microsoft 365 SSO integration, logging in is effortless, user management is automated, and security is enhanced.